Welcome to this tutorial on creating a teleportation door in Unreal Engine 5. Our first step is to import the door model into our scene and adjust it to our liking. Our second step is to add a box collision to the door model. The third step is to add a trigger box, and while it's selected, you can go on and open the level blueprint for that level. And once you're in there, you can right click on the blueprint and select add event for trigger box, then collision, then add on actor begin overlap, and you're going to drag out that node and search for open level by object reference, the level that you'd like to teleport to. And we compile and save that blueprint and we exit it, and we can now play our game and test out our teleportation door. And there you have it. You've successfully teleported between two different levels on Unreal Engine 5.